An experience center with 1,000 square meters. Welcome you to experience the function and quality yourself. Seat rotation, allowing the wheelchair to switch between front drive mode and rear drive mode. National standard requires wheelchair should be able to drive safely on a 90-degree slope. With seat rotation and self-balance function, KS1 can be assured the center of mass is always on the axle of drive wheels, which would allow it to drive on a 20-degree slope safe and sound. National standards requires wheelchair should be able to overcome a 4 cm high obstacle and cross 10 cm wide trench. With seat rotation, KS1 can be switched to front drive mode, and then overcome an 8 cm high obstacle and a 15 cm wide trench. National standard requires wheelchair should have a turning radius of 200 cm. With seat rotation, KS1 is able to turn around on the spot. With KS1, you can stroll in the park, take the metro, visit family members, go to the supermarket, and even travel around the world. With power backrest tilt, leg rest tilt, and seat tilt, you can achieve any position from lying down to normal sitting. Help you relax, maximize your comfort. With seat rotation and seat lift, you can have larger activity space and better life experience. Standing assist to sitting assist, even semi-standing assist. The wheelchair is fully programmable based on different requirements. Local controller and remote controller. With remote monitoring system. KS1 is easy to transport via different types of vehicles. Including commercial vehicle, off-road vehicle, car, and light bus.